Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Nani. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start near the top and let's draw the nose. Let's draw a curve down and back up. Now on both sides, we're going to draw the eyes. We'll start with a curve up on an angle. And another curve underneath. Now from the outer corner, let's draw a small line up and curve it back down on top. And color the eyelashes in black. Now top inside each of the eyes and let's draw a circle. And then another small circle inside on the top left. And then another circle behind in the center. And color these both in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with two curves. Then let's bring it up in the center and curve it back out. Now we're going to hop out, and next to each eye, let's draw a V-shaped point down and back up. Now let's bring it down for the sides of the face, and then curve it down to the center for the chin. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with two curves going out and up, a V-shaped point on top, and then angle it down on both sides. And then a curve underneath for the bottom lip. And that's it for the face. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the ears. On both sides, let's draw a curve out and bring it down underneath. Then inside, let's draw an angle down with a bump up at the bottom. Now top to the top and let's start drawing the hair. Let's draw a curve down and up on the top left, and another one next to it on the right. Now from both sides, let's draw a wavy line down and out on top of the ears. Now top on top and let's draw a curve across for the top of the head. Now under the left side, let's draw a wavy line down. And then for the right side, we're going to curve it out and back in next to the ear. Next, before we finish the hair, let's move down and let's start drawing the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw two curves down and out for the neck. Then let's bring it out and down for the shoulders. Now underneath, let's draw a large curve across for the top of the shirt. Now top underneath and on both sides, let's draw a curve down and in. Then let's curve it down. And a curve across to close off her t-shirt. And then inside the shirt, let's add a small heart. Next, we're going to hop out and let's continue drawing the arms. From the shoulders, let's bring it down. And the same thing on the inside. And then let's add a line across inside for the sleeves. Now to continue the arms, let's bring it out and curve it in underneath each of the lines. Now underneath, let's add the hands. From the outside line, let's angle it out and bring it down. And then bring it back up and in the same way. Now for the thumb, let's add a bump. And then curve it down and back up. And that's it for the upper body. Now we're going to move back up and finish drawing the hair. On the left side, let's continue the wavy line down and into the shoulder. And then for the right side, we're going to draw one large curve out and bring it in. Now let's hop back down and let's draw the legs. Underneath the t-shirt, let's angle it out on both sides. And then let's curve it down for the shorts. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve across near the top. And then let's add a small curve down and back up for the belly button. Now let's continue drawing the shorts by drawing a line down in the center. And then from the left, let's curve it in. Add a V-shaped notch up. In again. Another notch. And into the center. And then for the right side, we're going to do the same thing, but we're just going to add one V-shaped notch here and over. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve down and out for the pockets and a small line next to it. Then in the center, let's draw a curve up on the right and add a circle for the button. And that's it for the shorts. Now underneath, let's continue the legs. In the center, let's draw a line down. Then from the sides, let's angle it in about halfway and a curve down. Now underneath, let's add the shoes. Let's start with a curve across underneath each leg. Then from the outside, let's curve it in. The same thing from the inside here. And then one more curve down and back up underneath both sides. Now in the center, let's draw another line down. And then angle it out on the outside. And then let's add a curve back into the center. Now let's hop inside each of the shoes and let's draw a curve near the bottom. And then on top, let's draw a curve up and back down. Then on top, let's add another curve. And then curve it up on top and around to the other side. Now from the top corners, let's angle it down and continue it underneath. And that's it for Nani. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!